Want to upscale your images to 10K using Magnific AI in 2026? Before you jump in, there is a major roadblock you need to know about. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we wanted to bring you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Magnific AI to get those ultra-crisp, high-resolution upscales. However, we believe in keeping it 100% real with you. When we went to test the platform and analyze its latest features, we hit a massive wall. The website's security filters are incredibly strict right now. Instead of getting access to the Upscaler tool, we were hit with a 403 error page stating that the security filter flagged the request and blocked access entirely. Because of these heavy security blocks, we don't have hands-on access to show you the dashboard today. Furthermore, there are currently no verified independent user reviews available in our database to tell us how well the tool actually performs once you do get in, or what the pricing looks like. So here is our honest take. If you are planning to try Magnific AI, be prepared to potentially deal with strict IP blocks or security filters just trying to load the homepage. If you have successfully bypassed these security filters, or if you've been using Magnific AI to upscale your images to 10K, please let us know in the comments below. We want to hear your real-world experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest tech updates, and we'll see you in the next one.